Hey guys, thank you for watching today's video. If you haven't done this already, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on that little notification bell so you can see all my new videos as soon as they come out. And if you like today's video, why don't you go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Alright, let's get into today's content.
Like and subscribe!
Mads, really?
You know it.
I don't even know how to start this video. And all that damn squawking in the background are the freaking birds perked up in the tree across the street because it's like freaking 50 degrees outside. 50 degrees outside is what basically starts this whole damn story. Before I get into this, first off, you may notice I'm a little more nicely dressed than normal. I got a new job, and I'm not really going to go much into it, but it's kind of been kicking my butt lately. I've swapped back from day shift to night shift twice in the last 3 weeks. I've just been overly tired and just working, and I just really haven't been able to put time into YouTube, but I'm getting into a flow now, so I'll be able to come out and make more videos, and yeah. So, disclaimer, there it is. I will be making more videos, and I really have to give it to my subscribers, because I want to thank you guys right now, because the last video I put out, I had about 102 subscribers. That was about 4.5 weeks ago, and then since then, when I look today, I was at 155 subscribers. You guys are amazing. Thank you. I may lose subscribers because of this video. And if I do, I understand, rightfully so. So it was a 55-degree day. A lot like today, where it's beautiful outside. Nice, sunshiny, pretty warm, especially for wintertime here in Eastern Maryland, my bad, Eastern Maryland. My neighbor wanted to go for a ride in the Charger. I said, okay. We left my neighborhood. We started merging onto the highway. And when we were coming out of the turn onto the on-ramp, I put my foot to the, not to the floor, but I put my foot down a little bit, you know, to get her up to speed to merge. And I hit a wet spot. And next thing you know, I was headed right for a wall. So I steered away from the wall, ended up doing a 180 on wet pavement still. Finally ended up hitting dry pavement, couldn't slow down, went into a ditch, hit a road sign. I was in the Charger. This is the aftermath of that collision with the road sign. Didn't break any glass, but yeah, we hit the road sign. It broke in half. Top part fell down onto the roof, slid down, got 3 nice dents in my pillar here, took this down all the way to bare metal. I don't know if you can see this, scratched the hell out of my my windshield, landed on my roof, or landed on my hood, and took my hood down to bare metal right here, and the fender right here too. That's all I can see on this panel. I think it stayed away from the wide body panel here, so that's good. The mirror is destroyed completely. This was hanging down. I actually had to reattach it. As for this door, it's pretty scuffed right here and on the handle. The wide body flare down here, it took some of the impact down here. I don't know if this is going to have to be replaced. It may. And then obviously the door here is what took the impact. I haven't even tried opening this door yet because I'm scared if I open it, it might be too damaged. I might not be able to get it back because the gap here is a lot wider than what it used to be. I can't remember specifically if anything happened to the roof of the car. I don't think so. I think the roof here is good. It's just this pillar. You guys want to know something crazy? She hasn't even had her first oil change yet. And she's wrecked. I don't know. I called Geico. We're taking it in this week to get fixed. They were pretty understanding about it. They were like, you hydroplaned, it happens, you know. But more than anything, I think my pride's really hurt. I don't really want to completely admit this, but I did maybe shed a tear or two on that drive home once I finally got her out of the ditch, which that was just, I mean, you can see my tire still caked in freaking mud on both sides. This side's still just covered in mud. So I originally was going to start this video, give an update to the channel, what was happening. We were going to get the PPF finally done on this car. That's put on hold. I got racing stripes for it. They're sitting in a box right over there. That's put on hold. The exhaust system that I was going to get for the car, which I was going to tell you guys, I'm no longer just going to cut the mid mufflers out. I was going to get an entire exhaust system. I'm not going to tell you from where because I'm still going to get it, but we're delayed a couple months on that now. About a month to probably get the car repaired, then the money from my deductible, and then whatever else. God, I'm so furious right now. And the only person I can be mad at is myself, right? No one else did this. I did this. I did this to my baby. The first brand new car I have ever owned, I did this to. A one of one 2020 wide body Charger. I wrecked it and it hasn't even had its first oil change. And the Tahoe, my buddy's borrowing the Tahoe right now because he's back in town and he needed a vehicle and I was a nice guy and said you could borrow my Tahoe. So I have to drive around looking like an idiot with a giant dent in the side of my car. I'm sorry, guys. I want to be putting more content out for you, and I'm going to. We're going to be extremely Tahoe focused for the next couple of months, especially since I already have a lot of parts for the Tahoe and everything, and I'm going to be able to get into the shop, get some shop space, and actually do some work with that. So Tahoe videos will come out, but big whoop, nobody watches those. I don't know what else to say. If you watch this video and you watch it to the end, thank you for staying. You know, I'm probably gonna get a lot of hate and some flack for this. That's fine. Bring it on. Because I can guarantee you, you can't say meaner stuff to me than all my car buddies have already have. Other than that, take it easy, guys. We'll be back with content soon. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.